Hi, I'm Fabian and welcome to the VisionDirect YouTube channel. We've got a special collection that's just arrived to the office that we're going to show you today, and these are the new Wayfarer classics that come in a variety of colours and sizes and lens options that we're going to go through today. So these new Wayfarers are modelled after the classic Wayfarers that we all know, but their frame is a lot smaller and they are a lot softer around the eye shape. The new Ray-Ban Wayfarers have a full rim plastic frame with crystal lenses. The new Wayfarer come in sizes 52, 55 and 58 and are available in various different colours. The models we're featuring in our video today come in colours black with orange lenses, tortoise with green lenses, black with red lenses, black with green polarised lenses, and blue with gradient polarised lenses. If you want to see the full collection of the new Wayfarers, then make sure to check out our website in the link below, and as always, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.